Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, shalom, alekhem. You have brought peace, peace upon us, but words and song are not enough. For man's home is God, God's Eden is man.
Listen, Israel!
Never again hostile, never again invaders, never again weapons and warriors, but brothers. Hevenu shalom, Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, alekhem. Listen, Israel, Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, shalom, alekhem. Do you not hear your children's dismal song? Do you not hear among your enemies the lament of their children? Do you not hear in them the rending cry of God? Hevenu shalom, Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, 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 alekhem. Listen, Israel, become broken bread, become peace, and not just word. Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Listen, Israel, behold, your song is on the lips of God, God. Hevenu shalom, Hevenu shalom, 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 alekhem. Shalom, shalom, alekhem.